Hi everyone, I'm Lasya. So, as part of 10x activity, I'm here to explain you all about the generative AI. The most recent evolving generative AI is ChatGPT. So, without any further ado, let's get into its platform and know about the different use cases of it. This is the platform of ChatGPT. Here, this is the message box. Here, you can give the question in more detailed way. So, as the question is in the detail and clarity, the more accurate answer you can expect from the ChatGPT. The other name of ChatGPT is AI chatbot. Here, you can ask any question in a conversational way. Let's take five questions as an example and let's know about it. Have prepared five questions. Let's just copy paste it and know about it. The first question I am asking is, what is the impact of demonetization in India on small and medium businesses? We all know, right? Demonetization has occurred in 2016 in India. So let's know how ChatGPT answers for it. Yeah. So yes, November 2016, like that. Here's some of and what are the impacts of it: cash overflow, and we have reduced sales at that moment, increased digital transactions. So as the notes were less, the people started using digital transactions like GPay, PhonePay, Paytm, like that. So if you have a doubt in your research paper, if you have started any research on this topic or any other topic, you can just copy paste your question, not copy pasting. You can ask the question to the chat GPT and get the question resolved. This is one of the use case. And the matter is too long, right? You can ask the chat GPT to explain in a shorter way. The above response in brief. So here we have a long response, right? So here it is just customizing the response and given us in few lines. This is the other use case. The other question what I have written is, I'm planning to undertake a project to guide which replaces the tourist guides for the tourists. Wait, I just rephrase it. Which act as a tourist guide. It is better, right? So it need to be very detailed. So next I'm asking, could you please provide me the process of creating it? Yeah. The first thing is define your target audience. So what were your audience? Our audience is tourists, right? Next, conduct research. We need to conduct like whether there were any previous websites or apps already there, already exist or not. And next, we need to, if they are not exist or any similar type of exist, we can take the reference from it. And next, we need to create the outline. Next, formatted and design a good design for it, like front end tools. And next, write the edit content. So, what the content need to be there in that website. And next, finally, you can publish and distribute. And every time we need to update our to website according to the free requirements of the user. So this is one of the question, and it's just say as the good luck for the project. Next, if you're struggling to manage your time, you can ask ChatGPT to schedule a time for you, to schedule a day diary for you. I'm just asking a time management of my day to ChatGPT. Let's see how it responds to it. The one thing what I liked in ChatGPT is for any question, first it gives a positive answer, positive support, like sure I'll do it, sure I'll give you the answer like that. And also it says I apologize for any wrong responses generated by it. It's the important thing we need to apologize for any wrong events what we have done. I'll try to read out it later. Next, see the next question. I'm asking ChatGPT to write a Python code of a diamond shape and brute force approach. Brute force approach gives a bigger time complexity code. So let's see how much time complexity it gives for us. It is writing two codes for the upper triangle, the upper diamond, and the lower diamond, and is also providing the explanation of the code what it has given written. Now I'm saying to optimize the code because order of n square is a bigger time complexity. Like maintaining it and the order of n gives fetches a good efficiency of the code. So I'm asking the ChatGPT to optimize my time complexity. It is saying yes, I can optimize with a positive note. I think it has divided its divide and merge approach, like it is using upper part and lower part and merging at last. Now let's see. It is saying that this is order of n, which is better than the brute force approach, which is order of n square. So like this, you can use ChatGPT for creating a new code for you, the answers for your code, or you can also use to debug your errors as well by providing your code. So like this, I have started using ChatGPT. There were so many questions I have asked it before. You can see your previous questions in this left panel. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.